Okay, here we go. We're going to do another problem in division, polynomials. So we have to decide what are we dividing by here. We are dividing by a polynomial, not just a monomial. So we're going to have to do long division. So let's set it up first. And what do you notice whenever you look at this problem? Hopefully you notice that you're missing an x term in the middle. Normally, in perfect descending order, we start out with our highest power of x, and then we continue to go down by 1 until we get to plain numbers. Well, this is missing a x term, and normally that's not a big deal. I mean, the polynomial is what the polynomial is. However, when you're doing division, because lining things up is so incredibly important, if you do not have one of the terms as it's going down in order, then you have to put in a 0 placeholder to keep everything lined up. So let me show you how that works. First of all, I'm going to take my numerator of x squared. Now we don't have a x term, so I'm going to put in a plus 0 x's and then minus 36. This helps to hold the place and keep everything nice and lined up. Divided by x minus 6. Now let's start in. X times what will give you x squared? Well, that would have to be x. Now see, if I did not have that 0 placeholder, I wouldn't have a place to keep that nice and lined up. Now we multiply diagonally, and if you need to come out to the side, that's fine. X times x minus 6 is going to be x squared minus 6x. And then we change the signs and combine like terms. So these are gone, as they should be, and 0x's plus 6x's is 6x's. Now we drop down our next term and begin again. X times what gives you 6x? Well, that would have to be a positive 6. So positive 6 times x minus 6 is 6x minus 36. And then we would change our signs and combine like terms. So these all cancel out. We have a 0 remainder. So our answer then would just be x plus 6.